Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dog. Dogs are amazing furry friends. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny chihuahuas to big, fluffy Saint Bernards. Dogs have super senses, with keen noses that can sniff out hidden treats and floppy ears that help them hear things we can't. They're always up for fun and games, whether it's chasing a ball, going on walks, or just cuddling on the couch. But what makes dogs extra special is their loyalty and love. They're like your forever pals, and they'll always be there to make you smile, give warm cuddles, and wag their tails with joy when they see you. So remember, if you ever meet a dog, be kind, gentle, and respectful, and you'll have a furry friend for life. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a cat. Cats are fantastic furry companions. They come in various colors and patterns, and they're known for their graceful and agile movements. Cats have pointy ears that can hear even the tiniest sounds, like a mouse sneaking around. They love to play with toys, chase laser pointers, and pounce on feather wands. Cats are also independent, which means they enjoy some alone time but will come snuggle when they want to. They purr when they're happy and content, which is like their way of saying they love you. So, if you meet a cat, be gentle and patient, and you'll have a playful and perfect friend to share your days with. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a parrot. Parrots are colorful and clever birds that make fantastic friends. They come in vibrant shades of red, blue, green, and more, which makes them look like living rainbows. What's really cool about parrots is that they can talk and mimic sounds, including your words and laughter. They're super smart and love to solve puzzles and play games. Parrots enjoy munching on seeds and fruits, and they use their strong beaks to crack them open. These feathered friends are great listeners and can even give you a friendly hello or a funny squawk. Just remember, if you ever meet a parrot, be patient, and you might just have a chatty and colorful buddy who brightens up your day. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hamster. Hamsters are adorable little creatures that make wonderful pets. They're tiny, with soft fur and tiny paws that they use for exploring. Hamsters are like mini acrobats, running on their wheels and even doing somersaults. They love to build cozy nests using bedding materials and enjoy hiding in tunnels and little houses. Hamsters are very good at hoarding food, which means they store it in their cheeks and take it to their nests. They're nocturnal, which means they're most active at night, so they might be up when you're getting ready for bed. If you have a hamster, remember to be gentle and patient, and you'll have a cute and cuddly buddy to care for. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a snake. Snakes are fascinating creatures that slither and slide without legs. They come in many colors and sizes, from the tiny and harmless garter snake to the big and powerful python. Snakes use their forked tongues to smell the world around them and have a special way of sensing heat to find their prey. Some snakes are venomous, which means they have a special bite that can be harmful, but most snakes are friendly and not dangerous to humans. Snakes are very important to nature because they help control the population of animals like mice and insects. Remember, if you ever see a snake in the wild, it's best to watch from a safe distance and never try to touch or bother them. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hedgehog. Hedgehogs are adorable little creatures that kids often fall in love with. They are covered in prickly spines that help protect them from harm. When they feel scared or threatened, they curl up into a ball to keep themselves safe. Hedgehogs are nocturnal, which means they come out at night, and they have a keen sense of smell and hearing. They love to eat insects, worms, and even some fruits and veggies. Hedgehogs make great pets for some people, but they need a cozy home with plenty of love and care. They're like tiny, spiky superheroes that add a touch of magic to the animal world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a monkey. Monkeys are incredible animals that live in various parts of the world, from tropical rainforests to high mountains. They are known for their playful nature and love swinging from tree to tree with their long arms and tails. Monkeys come in many shapes and sizes, with colorful fur and funny faces. They're also very smart and use their clever minds to solve problems and find food. Some monkeys like to munch on bananas, while others prefer leaves and insects. Monkeys often live in groups called troops, and they take care of each other, just like a big family. They're like the clowns of the animal kingdom, always ready to make you smile with their funny antics and acrobatics. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a squirrel. Squirrels are amazing and energetic creatures, but they are best admired in their natural habitat, like trees and forests, rather than as pets. Squirrels need a lot of space to climb and explore, and they love to run around and leap from branch to branch. They are wild animals that are best left free to be with their squirrel friends and enjoy the outdoors. Instead of keeping squirrels as pets, you can watch them from a distance in your backyard or a park, where they can entertain you with their playful antics. Remember, it's always best to appreciate and protect animals in the wild and let them live their lives as nature intended. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hen. Hens are wonderful birds that give us delicious eggs to eat. They have soft feathers and come in many pretty colors. Hens like to scratch the ground with their feet, looking for tasty bugs and seeds to eat. They live in cozy houses called coops and lay eggs in nests filled with straw. Hens are great moms, too. They sit on their eggs to keep them warm until baby chicks hatch. Sometimes, you might hear them clucking to talk to their friends and chicks. So, hens are not only excellent for our breakfast, but they also teach us about taking care of others in their feathered families. guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an ornamental fish. Ornamental fish are like living jewels in water. They come in dazzling colors and patterns, like bright orange goldfish or colorful betta fish with flowing fins. People keep them in special tanks called aquariums to enjoy their beauty. These fish need clean water and a safe, comfy home to thrive. Watching them swim around is like having a little piece of the ocean right in your home. Taking care of ornamental fish teaches us about responsibility and the importance of caring for other living creatures. So, if you ever decide to have ornamental fish as pets, remember to feed them, keep their water clean, and they'll swim happily for you to admire.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.